Hello, hello.
Welcome to
17,000 flavors of Indonesia.
All
So,
right.
today we're going to continue with a small series of little videos about some of the unique seasonings and ingredients
That
in
we
the
use,
seasonings. Yeah. So yesterday we did a little educational on kaffir lime leaves, and today we're going to talk about candle nut.
Candle nut, yes.
Okay. So
what is candle nut?
what is candle nut?
Candle nut.
It grows on a tree.
It's not from candle. Well then.
So we're going to talk a little bit because this is a very important ingredient.
Yes.
In our 17,000 flavors of Indonesia seasonings. And
yeah, or in general, in Indonesia, we use candle nut as how called that, one of the most important things, ingredient, especially in my island, from Sumbawa Island. And then we grow. There is one place in my island, which is my family. Most of my family comes from that region. It's called Lantung. So they have a farm of this candle nut.
And it comes from a tree, right?
Yeah, it comes from a tree. So maybe one day I'm gonna go back there and I'm gonna make a video.
Okay. All right. So tell people. So to me, candle nut is flavor-wise,
It's like
here
macadamia or something.
yeah, similar
Like
to macadamia, but I always tell our customers in the restaurant that it's lighter in flavor than the macadamia nut.
Yeah.
It's just a hint of a nutty flavor. You don't really notice a real true nutty flavor in the dishes.
Yeah. But it changed
it's so subtle.
Yeah. But change the flavor.
But it's important. Yeah.
And then they have it's look dry. Take a look at this. It's look very dry, but they have a lot of oil.
Yes. Yeah.
They have a lot of oil. Even when look dry, but when you touch it, it's oily. Your hand is oily. When you touch it, your hand is oily.
So what kind of seasonings do you use candle nut in?
Candle nut, like I said, it's mostly in everything.
Okay.
The seasoning that I made. So we have in bumbu putih candle nut, we have in bumbu merah, we have in samawa, we have even in bumbu kuning, which is the yellow seasoning. Then I'm gonna make a green seasoning, which is candle nut too. Then I'm gonna make a black seasoning, which is candle nut too. It's really it's
one of the basic
the basic thing that
requirements.
Yeah. But again, this is my preference, that I love this candle nut because of the healthiness in terms of it's good for your hair, it's good for your skin.
So it has a lot of uses.
Yeah. This is another thing about candle nut too, that you really put this. It's not only in your food, but it's in your culture, like the one that I explained before.
So one thing that is important, because it is a nut, if you do have nut allergies, just please make sure that you you check. Yes, it is a tree nut. It's not similar to the peanut, but always make sure that you don't have a tree nut allergy.
Yes.
And it's also important to note that you need to cook this. So that's very important. So it's cooked into dishes. It's incorporated into our seasonings.
Yeah.
But you don't just pick it up like a peanut and eat it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, you can eat it raw, but not in a lot of amount. I mean,
it's preferable not.
Yeah. It's preferable.
So, any other important thing to say about candle nut
Candle
today?
nut, I remember then when I was like a very little, teeny. My mom used to, because we don't, I don't know, maybe I thought they have shampoo back then, or conditioner and all of that stuff. But just because their culture and all of that stuff, my mom used to take this and burn it, like burn, like black burn, like like ash black burn, and then she ground it.
Pulverize it.
Yeah, pulverize it.
Yeah.
And then just put in the small coconut shell or plate, and then you just wrap and put in your hair, wrap it. Yeah, it's yeah. I don't know how long.
I think we're gonna have to do that.
I don't know how long did she how you call that, leave there in on her hair. I don't know. I didn't remember. But then of course you have to wash it after.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, but then
maybe we'll do a video about that.
And the hair was like shiny black, but a little bit oily because of the oil. But it's a really look nice.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very healthy for your hair.
All right.
Outside and inside. If you eat it, it's good to protect
inside.
And then if you put it outside, it's good for your hair outside. Yeah, that's a candle nut.
Okay.
But again, like you said, you have to cook this.
Yeah.
Either you burn it, grill it, or cook it.
Okay.
Yeah. Please don't eat it like this. But if you want, you can try one. Don't try more than one.
Ready? So we hope you enjoyed our little educational video on another of the important ingredients in our seasonings, candle nut. And please like our video, subscribe to our video. We're just getting started. Leave a nice comment. And we are exploring our new journey with our seasonings, and we're going to be going to Indonesia hopefully this year, and we're going to take everybody on a journey.
Hopefully the corona is gone already in September. And then we can go and we can give you a lot of videos about Indonesia, especially my island, because that's going to be our first movie or our first film. And perhaps we're going to share you some books or magazine that we can produce from. From the...
So thank you very much for watching today, and look for new videos coming out soon. We're going to continue talking about a few more of the more unique ingredients that go into our seasonings and make them so spectacular. And we're also going to be doing some new cooking videos coming up. So we hope you enjoy, and talk to you soon.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.